Fred cocksamich.
Yeah.
Hey, you know,
We're not
like and
synced
subscribe. Yeah.
Well, I guess that's it, boys. Fucking Cheech. What's up, Fred cocksamich? Yeah, right. Alright, here we go. Oh, we got a little smudgy there, sorry. Alright, I'm gonna run pick up my valve cover now. I can't wait, it's gonna be fucking epic. 200 bucks. I don't think he's gonna charge everybody that because he's just getting started out. It's kind of practice for him. But I'll get you guys all his information when we get there. I'm sure he can, you know, mail order stuff and whatnot. But yeah, 200 bucks. This thing is fucking sick, man. I can't wait to see it in person. So it's just out of control sick. It's red and black, of course. And it's got zombies on it because, after all, I am rocking the zombie response vehicle, which is just sick in and of itself. So yeah, I've got gas enough to get there. I got to GPS it, so I'll get back to you guys when we get there. So I passed it. Of course I passed.
And they're starting to and what happens is you
oh, look at that sexy bitch. I don't know if you can see that reflection, but oh my goodness.
You don't have to go to a restaurant.
All right,
you can eat at home.
go. What's going on in that area? Oh, I got the wrong place, sorry. What the fuck is it? Print Solutions, these guys. Yeah, it's over here.
Fred?
Yeah, how you doing?
How's it going?
Pretty
Hey,
good.
man.
Oh my God, look at that.
How'd your procedure go there? You're feeling better?
Yeah, they said it.
Some operation.
Yeah, tore muscle.
Oh, that's right. Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't know what it was at the time, but
Oh, okay.
they're saying torn muscle, so I'm gonna have to lay around for a bit. Oh well.
Oh, darn.
Yeah, I'll take a week off of work and lay around. My God, that looks good. Yeah.
Yeah, we went with the candy. And I think probably what happened with the mix-up on the pricing was I was just thinking of a metallic before, where we just put metallic underlay.
Right.
And that's a lot cheaper on our end. But we went ahead and did the candy. It's cool.
Oh, it's perfect. There's nothing wrong with this at all. Yeah, I was surprised anything came out in here.
Yeah, it just falls in the galleys. We're not too worried. We know you got the cap in there.
Yeah, that's all gonna fill in.
Yeah.
So we're gold.
Yeah,
wow. Man, perfect.
I'm glad you like it.
Yeah, it's gonna be a whole YouTube video, this one.
Sweet. Oh, yeah. Boy, put that on there, man. Good luck with that, man. I don't envy you.
Oh no, it's easy. Easy peasy. Yeah, that's the reason I picked this motor. Everything's easy. Like, I rebuilt the whole thing in half a day.
Oh.
Once I finally got parts.
Yeah.
But yeah, it only took me maybe 6 hours. And that's with brakes and kids and all that stuff. Yeah, these guys are a lot of detail. Yeah, it's amazing.
Yeah, so what we did here is we did a silver metallic underlay. Just like you would do a regular candy paint job, only we put the graphic sandwich between it. So we did a We did a high metallic or platinum silver metallic underneath. Then we dipped it in that, and it was silver for all the time. And then we came back and put a House of Color candy apple red.
Oh man.
Yeah, over the top. And then we did that in a mid coat. And then we did 3 more coats of acrylic urethane.
Right.
So it's got like 3 coats of acrylic urethane in there.
Yeah.
If you ever want to do like a high polish on it, which you can, I wouldn't do it now. I would let it cure for at least 2 weeks if you're going to polish, because you want that really hard paint, especially if you got edges.
Right.
If it was a flat panel, you could probably polish in a few days, but since you've got so many edges,
oh no, we'll wait.
Safer, yeah.
We'll wait.
You may end up taking it off, and if you're doing like a show or something.
So what do I use on it? Just a wax?
You can, if you want to do a high polish, then you can use a.
This is polish enough.
It is?
This, yeah.
Oh, then you can just wax it.
Yeah, I just want to protect
you can buff it. Yeah.
Yeah, I just want
if
to
you
put
really
wax
want
on it.
like what we call flat lining, you want to do a flat sand.
To get rid of the peel.
Yeah, you want to take all that off.
Yeah, no, we don't.
It would take you 3 stages. You
Right.
basically do a 15, a 2,000, or a 20 or 1,500, and then you do like you do a 1,200, and then you do like a 2,500, or you
Yeah.
Or you
Yeah,
do a
get real
3,000
crazy
grit.
with it.
Then you got to polish the whole thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, I just want to protect it the way it is. It's perfect. I mean, the rail's not perfect, but so it's.
Yeah, it's totally. I mean, if
So-
we do it, it's a time material, so you're looking at about another $150 to polish it.
No, it's fine. It's fine the way it is.
But it glows in the sun, I can tell you that.
Yeah, I bet it does, doesn't it?
Well, that metallic really shows up once you get in the sunlight. Don't forget your package here. You got 2 nuts that
Oh.
power.
Oh yeah. No biggie. I got
Just wanna
a
make
bucket
sure.
of these at work.
Okay, I just want to make sure. Always trying to make sure.
Oh my God.
So yeah, you got
That
some
is
real candy
amazing.
coat there. So the more light you get, the better it's gonna look.
Wow. Oh my God, and you can really see
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's silver.
everything.
Silver is like a backlight on your graphic.
Yeah, it just lit it up.
Yeah. So in the dark, it's going to be almost like a cherry black,
Right.
but in the light, it's going to look like this.
Yeah, it's just got all kinds of.
That should look pretty awesome, huh?
Yeah, I'm way more than happy with it for sure.
And we just covered everything up, so
Yeah.
it went through real good. There's very little rust in there. You may want to just scuff it a little bit, but
Yeah, not a
she
biggie.
gets wet, and that's what happens.
Yeah, I'll just put some oil on it. I don't want to.
Yeah. Galleys are good.
Yeah, that's going to be amazing. So what do I tell people when they want this done? Because I know I kind of got a deal because of the quote, the way it went.
No problem. So, if they want to get this done, they can just contact us on our social and stuff. I'll give you the
Yeah, let's get
socials.
some info.
Yeah. That way you can, got it?
Yeah.
You get paranoid now.
I know, I don't want
Last
to
thing I want to hear is a clang.
ding it on something.
And it just part will sink. So these are our socials here for this. Now, mainly what
Okay.
we do, Fred, is we do sales and service. We sell film, supplies, tanks, training.
For all
We
this?
do occasional jobs like this, so just for the
But you sell all the supplies for it?
Yes. We
Okay.
train people how to do it. So
Yeah, my girlfriend wants to do it so bad. It's
yeah.
driving me nuts.
We have small kids. We have like do-it-yourself kids. And then I have training classes every once in a while. We'll get people in, and we'll do like a 6-hour training course with them and stuff like that. So.
Oh, maybe
But
I'll have to
anyway,
do that with
We're kind
her.
of like, we used to be all service, and now we're going to sales and sales
Right.
and supplies. But we do service work on occasion, and if it's interesting. like
Yeah.
this, So we do like the marketing aspect of it. So if you want to mention us, that's great. But it's all Hydrographics
Yeah.
Depot.
Yeah, well, that's
And then,
all.
we're on Instagram. Matter of fact, your thing is on our Instagram feed.
Oh, really? I gotta go check that out.
So just look up Hydrographics Depot, and then you'll see a picture of it.
Cool.
And we got tons of likes on it already. So.
Yeah, I bet it's just sexy.
So I appreciate it.
Yeah, I'll be putting it on this weekend, and then videos usually go up Sunday. All right, man.
Yeah.
Big day today. Stayed home from work, get the house cleaned up. And the first thing I'm gonna do is sexy up this bitch. Because this ugly old turd valve cover is fucking out of here. Pretty easy to do. Take out the coils, these two sensors and a few bolts. Switch out the oil cap and we're good to go. Because this bitch is going on. Oh, ho, ho, ho. You know, it's so nice you don't even want to fucking touch it. But I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. And I think I'm probably going to go riding around town tonight, show it off. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Behold, for the joy I have wrought to the world. Oh my God. This is friggin' amazing. I couldn't fucking be happier. I mean, it's kind of dark. Fuck, I hope this comes out. God damn. Well, let's try this. Oh, yeah, buddy. That's what she looks like. She is a beaut. Yeah. Well, that's done and fucking sexy. I think I'm gonna try to do the wheel spacers right now again. Vic Ferrari, if you ever check out his channel, go check it out. It's Vic Ferrari at YouTube. Dude's a beast. He makes some really cool shit. When you first hear about what he's gonna do, you're like, dude, that's janky. And then you see it get done and you're like, fuck, dude, that's pretty cool. So go check him out. He gave me a set of they're actually adapters from 4 to 5, but I think they're thick like I need them, so I'm gonna pound out the studs and throw them on here and see what they look like. I'm not sure if they're gonna fit anyway, but go grab them. If they fit, then I can finally put my cool lug nuts on and give me a little more room, because the tires do rub when I make U-turns and stuff. So a little more work to do, and then I'll take you guys out for a ride tonight. We'll go out and fuck around with some Hondas and shit, show them what's up. But maybe I'll find a car show to go to. Yeah, we'll go to a car show. I know there's always one out here. It's kind of hot, but there'll be one. Show off my new valve cover. So yeah, I'll hit you in a few.